So there's a principle I made up called the Non-Multiplicity Principle. And this is kind of based on Occam's razor, and what it states is basically that whenever you have multiple entities or explanations for reality, they're going to be wrong, ultimately speaking. And the more complicated and the more divisions there are in one's theory of reality, the more wrong it will be. So, just as a refresher, Occam's razor is the idea that you shouldn't multiply entities beyond necessity. It's like a logical and philosophical rule. But my idea is a little bit different, and it's based on an understanding that reality is ultimately one. What that means is that any explanations of reality in terms of multiple things will be false. Or, to put it more charitably, they're only partially true. They're like a somewhat messed up map of the territory that they're trying to represent. So some concrete examples of this are the Trinity in Christianity posits that there are three aspects to God, which are the Father, Son, and Holy Spirit. So those are three divisions in reality. Now, you have to ask yourself the question, why would there be three divisions? That doesn't really make any sense. And of course, the religion can't answer this because it's really just dogma. But the power of this is that you can use the principle with anything, not just with religion. So for example, in physics, there is the theory that there are 10 dimensions, or maybe it's 11, I'm not sure. They call this superstring theory, I believe. And if you understand that reality is one, then you know that this can't be the true explanation of reality, because it doesn't have 12 dimensions ultimately, it has one, or infinite, depending on how you look at it, which is a little bit complicated, but I can't get into that right now. So, yes, my claim is that superstring theory is wrong, just in the same way that the Trinity in Christianity is wrong. And that's the power of the principle.